Hi, welcome to my braids tutorial video. Now this particular video, if you can remember, there is a trending hairstyle called the snake braids, or I don't know, but watch how to make this in case you are planning to make it. Like, this style is so gorgeous, and if you are very creative, you can make something out of this braid style I'm going to show you now, which is the snake. Like, the braids has to be like a snake. I really don't know how to explain it, but just keep watching so that you understand what I'm doing. So first of all, just as you can see, I crochet the hair into the braid, I crochet the hair extension into my hair. Okay, now the next thing I'm going to do is to braid it, just like the way you do your boss braids. Okay, so I'm just going to divide the hair into three. Let all the hair, let it have the natural hair I'm going to braid, just as you can see. Now keep watching. Video is very short and detailed. Okay, so I'm just going to do like I'm doing boss braid, but when I braid a little, I'm going to knot the braids. Okay, keep watching. Okay, I don't know, are you familiar with knotting your braids with crochets? Are you familiar with it? Like, I feel this is very easy. It is very easy, less stressful, and it's not very well. All you have to do is just wrap your hair around the crochet to put it inside, and then you can see. So I knot it only once. If you are making it on someone's hair, you can decide to knot it maybe 2 more times or 1 more. Okay, now when I'm done knotting it, I'm just going to divide the hair into 3, as if I want to do boss braids again, but this time around I'm not going to be doing boss braids. Yeah, so just divide the hair into 3, and then the one I'm going to braid, I'm just using this thing to hold the hair because it's obstructing me. Now the next hair I'm going to braid is this, the one in the middle. Yeah, the one in the middle, that's the one you are going to braid, and I'm not doing normal braiding, I'm twisting it. The one in the middle, I'm twisting it. Okay, keep watching. This video is very detailed. And don't forget that the length of your hair should be your choice. Okay, the length of my video is just to give you a clue of how to make it. So if you are planning to make this particular braid style I'm showing you the tutorial in this video, then the length of your hair, your client's hair, or your hair or your braids should be your choice. Okay, now I'm done braiding the middle. As you can see, I'm done. So the next thing I'm just going to do is braid it as if I'm doing boss braids. Yeah, but this time around I'm not going to be braiding it to be tight. Can you understand? So I'm just going to be braiding it as if I'm doing loose braids. It's just going to be, I'm not going to be braiding it too tight. Okay, if you want it to be tight, it's up to you. Okay, so I'm just going to stretch it. You can see now when I stretch it, I'll have to adjust it so it gives this snake vibe. I don't know, can you see something? You can notice something that is giving this snake vibe. Yes. So just be creative with your braid. You can make this style for yourself, you can make it for your client. You can see, just drag it, adjust it according to how you want it. Let it just give you this snake vibe. You can see at this point, if you watch this video to this point, please press the like button and press the subscribe button. Yes, if you've not subscribed, and drop a comment. If you have a video request, drop it. Okay, so I'm just going to be, seems like my hair has finished. So just like I said, if you are making this, I think you should make it more longer, unless you want it to be shorter. Okay, so just be creative. Okay, all the trending hairstyles you see people make, it's someone that brought it. Yes, it's someone that actually made it to trend. I don't know if you get. I'm just going to knot because I've reached the end of my braids. If you find this video very helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, follow me on Facebook, YouTube, follow me everywhere. Follow me. So thank you for watching. I hope it was very, very helpful. Do you like this braid? What do you think about this braid? Let me know in the comment section. Is it beautiful? Is it okay? What do you think? Just let me know in the comment section. See you in my next video. Bye.